In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up KPI tracking in ClickUp for your business. First, open ClickUp on your browser or the desktop app and log in. Everything we'll do works the same across platforms, so use whichever is most convenient. Think of ClickUp as your central hub for organizing goals and the data behind them. Start by creating a dedicated space for your KPI program. Click Spaces, then add space, and name it KPI Goals. A space is the top-level container, so giving it a clear name keeps everything focused. Make sure lists are enabled in this space. Lists are where you'll manage the actual metrics and goals, so turning them on ensures you have the right structure from the start. Inside that space, add a folder called Business Metrics. The folder keeps your KPI lists grouped together, which helps as your tracking grows across different departments or time periods. Now, create a list named KPI Goals inside that folder. This will be your working area. In this setup, each task represents one business metric or key goal, which makes it easy to track progress, assign responsibility, and review performance in one place. Before we add the KPIs, a quick note. There's a link at the top of the description to the official ClickUp site and downloads. Use that link to access the web version or grab the desktop and mobile apps so you can follow along and stay synced across devices. Add tasks for each KPI you want to monitor, such as monthly revenue, customer retention, website traffic, or lead conversion rate. Keep task names specific and consistent. If you measure by segment or region, include that in the task title so it's immediately clear what the metric covers. Next, add custom fields to capture the numbers that matter. Create fields for target value, current value, owner, and due date. Targets define success. Current values show where you stand. The owner clarifies accountability, and the due date sets the review cadence. Be consistent with units and timeframes so comparisons are meaningful. Use statuses to track health at a glance. Set statuses like on track, at risk, and off track. Update these as data changes so anyone reviewing the list can immediately see what needs attention and what's performing well. Finally, review and analyze your metrics using dashboards. Add widgets to visualize trends, compare targets versus actuals, and highlight gaps. Charts and goal widgets make it simple to spot patterns and make data-driven decisions without digging through individual tasks. That's it. You now have a clean ClickUp system to track KPI goals and monitor business performance efficiently. Thanks for watching.